New to copy trading and don't know where to start? BYDFi offers two powerful copy trading modes: Smart Copy and Diverse Follow, tailored for traders of all experience levels. In this video, we'll walk you through both modes and help you choose the one that fits your trading style. What is Smart Copy? Smart Copy lets you allocate funds to any trader you like. It automatically follows their exact trading strategy, perfect for beginners. How to use Smart Copy? Tap Futures at the bottom of the homepage, then select Copy Trade. Choose a trader you want to follow and tap Copy to open the setup page. Enter your investment amount and tap Copy Now, or customize more options under More Settings. Looking for a more flexible way to copy trade? In addition to Smart Copy, which is perfect for beginners, BYDFi also offers an advanced mode, Diverse Follow. What is Diverse Follow? Diverse Follow is BYDFi's classic copy trading mode. It allows you to copy multiple traders using a single investment pool, helping you diversify your strategy. It's perfect for more experienced users. How to use Diverse Follow? Tap Futures at the bottom of the homepage, then select Copy Trade. Choose a trader you want to follow and tap Copy to open the setup page. Switch to Diverse Follow mode. Choose your method: fixed amount, fixed multiplier, or unlock fixed quantity via advanced settings. Enter your copy amount or quantity based on your selected method. Then, select trading pairs, set risk control parameters, and adjust other options as needed. Once you're ready, tap Copy Now to start. And that's it. Start using BYDFi's futures copy trading today and invest like the pros.